Hi there, this is my lock, and I have today an absolutely amazing gift I received yesterday from the Aspie Lockpicker. I'm just absolutely speechless, totally blown away. There's a link to the Aspie Lockpicker's Instagram page in the description. Go check out his content. He's got some amazing photographs and a huge collection of locks. Yeah, just he's got some amazing stuff there. Go check it out. There we go. The Aspie Lockpicker. I'm super chuffed at getting one of these stickers. And let's turn it the right way. The ZI-IKON. It's an Asaruko style body with that ZI-IKON core, the snowman core, gnarly keyway. Just it's an absolutely stunning lock, and in an absolutely fantastic colour scheme, you know, black and red. The green dot means I have managed to pick it. So we'll pop it in the vise. I'll put it pins down, and I will use this slightly modified Chris Capoon style top of the keyway tensioner, but I will use this piece of warding here at a slight angle there, so we can leverage on that warding. And I'm going to use this Law Lock Tools, I guess it's a slim gem profile. It's possibly even too big for this keyway, but we will see what we can do. So I've got to click on 2, we click on over 3, we click on 4. Let's try and get in there. Yeah, little movement on the core there, and we click on 5. I think 6 is ready. So 5, 4, 3. We click on 2. Just looking, something's not quite set, so just giving these pins just a little nudge just to see what's holding us up. So a very slight click on 1. You will, yeah, there we go. So 1 was not quite set, and then a wee click on 6 gets us that open. So there we go. Just an absolutely beautiful lock. I'm absolutely speechless, mate. This will take pride of place on my top shelf, along with the Asarukos. I've got an Asaruko 2 with a 500 core and one with a 600 core, and this will sit nicely in between them. Thanks again, mate, and thanks everybody for watching. You all have a good one. Cheers.